Today we are traveling to Jinja, Uganda to see a very interesting place called LEMALA WILDWATERS LODGE. The most unique part about this lodge is that it is completely not surrounded by water but by waterfalls on all the four sides. This place is a short drive from Kampala, roughly about 70 kilometers. You park your car, you head down and to the docking point where you're going to catch your ferry. So that's where we're going. That is LEMALA WILDWATERS Lodge. Ferry or a boat? Eh?
It is written a ferry, yeah?
We expected a big ferry. So Siba, it is a waterfall or what? Eh? This is a waterfall? Which is the nearest waterfall? That side?
That's unforgettable. This side. That's called unforgettable.
After a short 10-minute boat ride, we are finally here at the island. To reach the reception, there is a long pathway of bridges and completely surrounded by lush greenery. But the unique part about this place is like any point from the island, you can always hear the waterfall sound from anywhere you stand. The area is really welcoming, and what I really loved about this reception is that there are no walls, windows or doors, which gives a really beautiful 180-degree panoramic view of the surroundings. It feels really airy and refreshing. We're quite lucky, today was a sunny day, so the water and the sky looked really spectacular and was great for photos. So I want you to go to the edge. I can manage? Huh? सात समुंदर पार steps. सात समुंदर पार में तेरी पीछे पीछे आ गई. If you do go in the morning, which is the time I suggest, you can roam till afternoon, take pictures, move around the lodge, and then by lunchtime you have a 3-course meal which contains a starter, appetizer and a dessert per head.
3 cheese ravioli.
3 cheese ravioli.
This is egg salad.
Salad.
Salad, not salad. Salad.
Tilapia. We had a chocolate covered strawberries and an apple creme brulee. After lunch, we were invited to have a look at the cottages. The nice thing I liked about the cottages, all of them face the waterfall, and you can hear the loud gushing sound in the whole of the cottage. The cottages are pretty spacious, look very neat, have a lot of wooden finishes, definitely gives a lodge vibe. This cottage can house a family of 8 people comfortably. Bathtub in the balcony, viewing over the fall. Cottage is a duplex cottage. Right now we're going downstairs. Almost the same layout as the first floor. With the 2 beds. And more closer to the waterfall. To the end of this vlog, I thank you so much for watching, and I would definitely recommend you to come here with your family, loved ones. It's a really beautiful place. Much activities to do. It's just a place where you can spend time with each other, get connected with each other. Also very nice to go as a couple. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and share and subscribe if you love this video.